Hello learners, welcome to this video. Let's learn together. In this video, I will talk about 5 key responsibility where we need to be very expert as a entry-level UX UI designer. Number 1. User research. Number 2. Wireframing and prototyping. Number 3. Design principle. Number 4. Communication and collaboration. Number 5. Iteration and improvement. In this video, I will talk about in details about these 5 key responsibilities. Number 1. User research. We need to be very expert in user researching because by user research we can find out the user goal, user pain points and user needs, and we can build a good user experience through this user research. We can conduct user survey, we can conduct user interview, we can conduct usability testing. All of these are parts of user research. Number 2. Wireframing and prototyping. We can sketch out our design, build low fidelity and high fidelity prototype to visualize user experience. Number 3. Design principle. We need to know the design principle of UI design that can make good user experiences. Understand accessibility, information architecture and interaction design to create intuitive interfaces. Number 4. Communication and collaboration. We need to be a team player. Clearly communicate your design decision and collaborate effectively with developers and stakeholders. Number 5. Iteration and improvement. Embrace learning, continuously test, iterate and refine your design based on user feedback.